So there's a lot of confusion right now around AI videos and faceless YouTube channels, and because of that, many new creators don't even know what is safe to make or not. And that's exactly where I come in. In today's video, I'm going to break down 6 categories where you can start a faceless YouTube channel in 2026 safely using AI content and monetize them without being scared of, oh, I don't know if I'm doing everything right, oh, I don't want to get demonetized. No. And now also rank them based on effort, earnings potential, and also safety policy. So if I give a category 1 star, that simply means that this category or niche is unstable. If I give it 4 to 5 star, that simply means that this is future proof. And by the end of this video, you know exactly where you stand and what you can actually do to succeed. So with that said, let's begin. So you've probably seen those videos where finance and economics terms are explained using the example of a monkey and banana, or this one as well using an AI avatar explaining finances. So why this niche and this type of video are actually safe right now is simply because they are actually transformational and educational content. This kind of video are actually high value content, and when it comes to the RPM, they are actually very high because you are talking about finance, and finance is one of the most paid niches on YouTube. Banks, credit card companies, and similar businesses run ads in this space, which actually benefits you. So if I talk about effort here, it is actually low. From a money perspective, it is high, and the safety rating is 4 stars. So here you should give a general, not medical advice. Unless you are actually a doctor, you can create a channel based on medical advice. But otherwise, I would actually suggest to stick to general advice. You can actually make videos about sleeping tips, joint health, daily habits, and gut health. This category is very powerful because you are actually providing value, education, not diagnosis. So when it comes to health and wellness, they don't actually skip ads. And when it comes to the RPM in this niche, it's very good. So if I talk about effort here, it is medium. From a money perspective, since the audience is older, it is very high, and for safety, I'll give it 4 stars. So in these categories, you can actually create videos about old things, old creation, like old cars from the 70s, 60s, and 80s, 90s. And why this category is safe? Because it is a fact-based narrative video. Here, you can actually add human touch through storytelling. Basically, this video are actually based on old creation. And if I talk about effort here, the effort is medium. The money angles is decent because the topic targets a broad audience. So your videos have the chance to get more views, and more views you get, more money you make. But for safety, I will actually give it 3 stars. So you've probably seen space, physics, and nature video not only on YouTube but also on Instagram. People are actually creating content in this category both for long form and also short format. So that simply means that this niche and this category has a broad audience. People actually watch this kind of video because it makes them look smarter, and they actually share the fact with their friend, family, and this niche actually get a lot of views. If I talk about effort here, the effort is medium. The money angle is quite good, especially if your videos start going viral, which happens fairly quickly in this type of category. As for safety, I'll give it 4 stars. So in this category, you can actually make videos about historical things that happen or events. Basically, you just need to make videos about historical events that people were never told about. You can actually make videos about the history of England, or just make videos about human stories. There are plenty stories in the world right now. Probably you can make videos about how was fridge invented, how was car invented, how was light invented. So you can probably make videos about a lot of things, and people really watch this video longer because they want to know the history, they want to know how things happen, and there's a natural curiosity around this niche. So if I talk about effort here, it is high because you need to do more research. From a money perspective, if you are creating long format videos, it is actually high, but if you are creating only short format, it is actually decent. Now, as for policy safety, I will actually give it 4 stars. In this category, you can actually create videos about war, explainer videos, deep dives into economic videos about city or society collapse, just like the video I am making right now. You can actually create videos in this same way. Why this niche is safe? Because it actually requires human touch and human effort in it, and you also need deep research. And videos like this are actually well liked by the audience. Hopefully you are actually enjoying this video. You can see that I've done the research. It actually took me hours to gather all the information to be able to make the best video and make it in less than 10 minutes for you. So you can see that it demands a lot of research, human effort, and that's why this niche is very safe. The money is quite good in this niche from ad revenue and sponsorship once your channel start running. So for safety, I will actually give it the full 5 star because this niche will always monetize on YouTube and you won't face any problem with demonetization or anything. So these are quickly the 6 categories where you can start a Faceless YouTube channel in without being scared of anything like demonetization. Now, if you are asking yourself if voiceover with AI are actually allowed, yes, but you need to generate a premium voiceover, something that sounds natural, not robotic. Don't use common free AI voices that everyone else is already using, or don't clone a celebrity voice. It's not allowed. So to fix this, you can actually use 11 labs like I do. From text, you can actually design a custom voice that will be unique to you. You can control the accent, age, and gender, and only you will be able to have access to this voice. This actually helps you to create a personal brand. Your voice will sound unique and you won't have any problem with monetization. Now the next question is, can you actually use ChatGPT to write your script? Yes, but not totally. You can actually use ChatGPT to write or to generate outlines that you then use later to write your own script, or detail everything to ChatGPT. So after ChatGPT write the script for you, you now break it down to add your own storytelling, your own value, your own words, and everything in it, so it becomes natural, not generated. Now the next question is, will Faceless YouTube channel get monetized? Yes, of course. YouTube has no problem with Faceless channel. The only problem they have is low effort content that I've already explained earlier. So if you're actually confused about this, remember, AI is the tool. It's not actually a replacement of your brain. You still need to think yourself and to create valuable content. So if you like any of these 6 categories that I've broken down and you are thinking that you want to start one of them, check out this video where I've shared with you a step-by-step guide on how I create AI finance videos. And I'll see you over there. Until then, take care to Joshua. Peace out.